What's going on, guys? Welcome to Spang's World. We just got back from Redbird in Indiana. It's a state recreation park and stuff. It's only $15 to get in per vehicle and stuff. I think they might actually have a group discount also. I figure since everyone's always trying to figure out gear setups and stuff to take to carry along with them and stuff, we go through what we did. We had 3 of us going in the Jeep, myself, my brother-in-law, and my son. So we had a little extra room compared to when we were taking all the kids and stuff, but this is our gear setup for now. Get the back here. This block of wood's actually for right here. This is a work in progress because I'm not 100% sure what I want to do. But keep the wood here. That way this is the jack's not rolling around and stuff, banging up the door and everything. Tools and stuff here, straps, stuff, radiator fluid and stuff in here. Towels. Towels are definitely what you need. Towels in here. If you're going anywhere muddy and stuff, this comes out. This helps out a lot cleaning off the windshield and stuff. We did it multiple times while we were riding around at Redbird. Just extra oils and stuff, some waters that didn't fit in the cooler. Never know. I'm not going to go over all the tools and stuff that we have. Just kind of basic stuff. Most of our trash and stuff piled up right here while we were there. Now the important part here, snacks I put in here on the driver's side so it's easy for me. We just got our Polaris. I think this is a 36 quart cooler. I think Grizzly makes it actually, but nothing in it right now, cleaned out already, but it's easy to get to while everyone else is passenger sitting back here in the back, Hayden in the front. Camera bag and stuff, obviously easy to get to for the driver. But yeah, that's pretty much it there for how we were carrying our gear here for the one-day trip and stuff. Nothing too over the top. I know I want to make something for the back here, just since we're doing make something for the back. Still deciding something that'll hold this in better, and then probably like a little short drawer system or something, then with a shelf on top where we can still pack everything. Put a couple boxes on top or something if needed. But yeah, just a quick video. Figured everyone's always talking about what their gear setup is and stuff to haul stuff around, so might as well make one. But all right, guys, like this video if it was helpful. Subscribe if you're not already for some more off-road action and stuff, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.